guys, what's up? How's it going? We're back. My name is Nikki, for those of you that don't know, and I am a photographer and a videographer and an editor, anything to do with photo or video. I'm there for it. And this is my YouTube channel. Welcome, nice to meet you. We're all happy you're here. Also, before I forget, and you forget, don't forget to hit that little subscribe button, and there's a bell next to it, hit that one too, and you'll know every time I post, which is so far been every Thursday. So let's keep to that. Hit those buttons, hit the like, leave a comment, tell me what you want to see, tell me what you think. And follow me on Instagram, that's here too. Today's video, much like last week's video, is going to be another travel vlog. This week is going to be another graduation, but a drive through South Dakota. And there's a lot to see in South Dakota, so before you click away from this, just know there's a lot to see. So don't you go running off. I also have a pretty crazy huge family that's gonna be there, so you're gonna see that dynamic too. But it's gonna be awesome. We're here to celebrate my sister's graduation. It's gonna be awesome, but we gotta get going though because it's already like, I don't know, way too late. We're gonna get back to South Dakota at like midnight and then have to get up at the butt crack of dawn to drive to the other side of South Dakota. Let's get to it. This is gonna be entertaining. There's camels in Wyoming! Camels!
Whoa!
We made it! All the way to Rapid City. We still gotta make it to Sioux Falls. It is, what time? Like 2 a.m.? Yeah, it's been a long drive. We're incredibly tired. We have to be up in like 4 hours to drive to Sioux Falls. So, I'll see you tomorrow for that. Good night, peeps.
Yes. Where y'all live in the Black Hills area, I really like that. This direction gets a little flat for me, but
well, this is a flat.
yeah. But like the first week I ever came, I know Devil's Tower's in Wyoming, but we went to Devil's Tower, Badlands, Mount Rushmore, Crazy Horse. We went to this big lake, it was Pactola or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
We went to like 5 places that I had never been before, and like, you know, the 4 of those places I have been hearing about my entire life and never thought, I'm never gonna just go to South Dakota to see Mount Rushmore unless somehow I made it. And then somehow I was here and I was like, oh wow. And so now when other people ask like, oh, what's South Dakota? Like, I'm always like, well, the Black Hills is really neat and very beautiful. The rest I'm not so sure about, but like being in we've been camping now and spent a summer here, so the Black Hills area is very beautiful.
We are like halfway through South Dakota now. We just got up and started road tripping this morning. We're riding with my grandma and my Aunt Mary Helen. But we stopped at this cool rest area in Chamberlain to see this giant statue that they put up a few years ago. Yeah, I'll show you that. It's really cool. And we're gonna take some pictures. We've passed the Badlands and Wall Drug. If you ever go through South Dakota and you see 500 signs for the town Wall Drug, just stop at Wall Drug. It's a thing. It's cool. It's a little like old-timey town with like facades everywhere and a bunch of like just odd stores. But just do it. Just check it out. It's really cool. Maybe one day I'll show you guys that if I come back for a longer trip. And the Badlands are really, really cool. A lot of people haven't heard about that either, and I got a little bit of that to show you guys in this, but we didn't drive through there, so. But now we're gonna go check out this Dignity statue, which is a really beautiful Native American statue that they put up, and it overlooks the Missouri River, and we're gonna continue driving.
You've been here before, haven't you?
Yes, I have been here before. Say hi!
Hi!
Say hi! Okay, this is the Missouri River. And they have a little teepee guy up in here. That's been there my whole life. This thing though, this is brand new. I think she's facing the wrong way though, in my opinion. We saw her. She's right there. We're getting back in the car and we'll get there soon. Hopefully. Wow, I look like I got rained on. Alright, we have made it to Sioux Falls. Finally, I think I slept like the entire last half of the ride, and I feel like it was only 10 minutes. We're gonna go see the family that wasn't with us, which includes my brother and my sister, my brother's family, and my cousins, and we got a lot. I get to see my nephew and my nieces, and I'm so excited. I haven't seen them in so long, and I get to see my sister and my brother too. I'm excited to see them, but really, the little ones, I'm so excited to see them. And we're gonna celebrate my sister's graduation doing something that my family loves to do. You're probably gonna think it's weird, but everybody in South Dakota does this. We're gonna go do that, and I promise it's gonna get exciting soon, so don't go running off anywhere, okay? Guess where we are?
Bowling.
My family bowls. Do you bowl, Kyler?
No. Not a bowler.
This is gonna be fun. Hey, Mom. All right, world, this is Lily. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi. YouTube.
This is my sister.
Go away.
This is my cousin Rebecca. Hi. Aaron, you want to say hi to YouTube?
Hello.
Nothing. That's all you got?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go Broncos.
Hey, what was that joke?
Did you get the tickets?
Tickets to what?
The gun show?
Oh, snap, girl. You want to say hi to YouTube? Say hello.
Hi, Mom.
Hi YouTube. I don't know who YouTube is.
My God. That's my cousin, folks.
Hi. Anna, say hi to YouTube.
Say hi to YouTube. Say hello.
Hello.
This is my niece Claire. I think you need to change your shirt though,
Why?
because we're Broncos fans.
I'm not Broncos fans.
Yeah, huh?
I'm a Green Bay fan.
No, bad choice.
See, Green Bay says love Green Bay.
Yeah, but it needs to say love Broncos.
No, I don't like Broncos.
Fine, I guess you can be independent like your Green Bay. You say hello. This is my sister. And this is my nephew William. You say hello? Say hello. Say hi to YouTube.
What? You might leave before the No, we're going.
Kyler beat me last game somehow.
I got 113 points.
I did really bad.
She got 11.
I did not get 11.
And she was trying her ass off.
No.
You can tell. Look at it, she's sweating. She was really trying to beat it.
No. We're going to where?
Lucky's.
Okay, I've never been out in downtown Sioux Falls. It's gonna be interesting.
It's gonna be lit. They have like pool and darts and stuff.
Oh. Well, me and Kyler found out we're really good at darts in Wisconsin, so.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah. This is Sioux Falls, downtown. Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Ashley's really excited about it. Okay, we're going to Lucky's. I don't know what this is, but it looks weird. Let's do it. All right, we are back at the hotel. That Lucky's place was really cool. It got really packed at the end.
It really was.
Yeah, it was cool.
I don't have good taste in a lot of stuff, but Lucky's is pretty lit.
Good choice.
But it was pretty good. Everybody liked it. We enjoyed it. We played some pool and some darts. Now we're hanging out and playing some cards and enjoying ourselves. So,
This is Nikki signing off.
well,
Toodaloo.
I'm just gonna do some hanging out, and we'll see you tomorrow for graduation.
Why are you so awkward? Vagina.
Ready?
Vagina.
See you tomorrow for graduation. Wait, this is funny. This is funny. See you tomorrow for graduation. Alrighty folks, good morning. Last night was good. We just hung out. Kyler did some weird things.
Apparently I sleep walking out.
Yeah. Seems like he's maybe developing sleepwalking tendencies. Which is weird because I used to sleepwalk.
What do you do?
Yeah.
Sleepwalk.
You just sleepwalk. We are ready for graduation day, but we are starving. So a bunch of us are gonna go get breakfast lunch at this Hibachi Grill Supreme Buffet. I will let you know how that is because I'm not entirely sure if I'm gonna like it, but we'll figure it out. And then it's gonna be graduation time. I'm so excited! Look at all this food, y'all. There's literally like 10 buffet lines here and a hibachi thing. It's crazy. So much food. Hey, you want crouton on your ice cream?
I mean,
sure?
I like croutons, but not an ice cream.
It's the best.
Sure.
They got a whole ice cream bar here. It's a crazy world.
Didn't even hit up the fountain.
Oh yeah, and the chocolate fountain. Did you see the chocolate fountain, Lily?
Yeah.
It's crazy.
I'm gonna go for that.
Oh, okay. Here are the fortunes.
Grandma wants to be
What did your fortune say?
They open the doors at 1:30.
Oh man, such good fortunes. Here's the funniest one. What did you think of the hibachi place?
It's good.
Nice.
Yeah, you thought it was good?
Warm in their food.
They had like 10 different buffets of food. Like a lot. And a whole hibachi grill. But it was good. Now we're gonna go get Ashley all the way ready for graduation and go to graduation. Yay! Are you excited?
I'm very scared
Why are you scared?
because I'm not graceful. I'm not good at walking downstairs.
You'll be fine. Isn't she pretty though? She look good.
I look acceptable.
She's killing it.
I like kick me out of bed for eating crackers.
What does that have to do with anything? Is this some hip thing I don't know about?
How old are you? 95.
Yeah. So tell the world what your degree is.
Psychology, sociology, and social science.
That's so exciting. I'm so excited for you.
It's lit.
Sitting with Grandma.
Hi.
There's a ton of people here. We figured out there's 300
When you
and
lifted that up, could you see where your mother was?
they're like right over there. They're way up there. We figured out there's 370 people graduating today. So
That is wonderful for a school.
there she is, my smart sister.
Nearly everything that I have learned came from watching and listening to other people on my life journey.
Ashley Sue Kenley.
Woo!
Shelby Marie Tippy.
Woo! Yay, Ashley!
Ashley May Kirkpatrick. The 2019 University of Sioux Falls graduates.
Alright, we are back home, obviously. Maybe not obviously, because this is just a blank wall, but we're home. This is our house. We had a crazy night. We drove literally all night to get back to Denver because we both had to work. It was a long drive. We didn't get home and go to bed until like 4 or 5, and then I had to be up at like 6:30. So we just slept the whole way in the car with my mom and then powered through to get down here in our car from Rapid City. Overall, the weekend was super great. We had a good time. It went really fast because we had spent so much time in Wisconsin that a 2-day weekend with my family seemed super short. It was so much fun. I loved seeing all my family. It's very rare that we're all in the same spot like that. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was something you liked. That bowling alley was super great, and so was that Lucky's place. So if you're 21, do things legally, kids. That hibachi place was pretty good, like we said. And South Dakota, just in general, is kind of a crazy place that a lot of people don't expect to go to, but it's still very interesting, and one day I'm gonna go back and do all of the major spots and maybe like some unique spots that I know since I grew up there and show you guys that. Let me know down below if you want to see that. And a huge congratulations to my sister again for graduating college. We are all so proud of you. You did it. And it was really fun to have the whole family together, and we did it because you graduated college. So congrats again. Yeah, amazing. Be sure to subscribe before you leave, hit that notification bell and the like button, and leave me a comment for anything you want to see, and follow me on Instagram. I will see you guys next week. Bye.